So what's old is new again. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about how we write plans of action for sellers all over the world. Every week, winning reinstatements of your accounts, winning reinstatements of your top selling listings. And walking across me right now, behind the camera, is Carrie McDonald. She's one of the brilliant members of our team, and she not only wins reinstatements practically every day, she also trains our people on how they can win reinstatements for you. So here it is. Here's the magic way to write plans of action. Number one, first section, root cause. Why is it that the consumer or Amazon perceived your sales to be problematic? You got to think about it. You got to use Amazon's language, do a deep dive, figure out what is the root cause, and identify that in the first section of your plan of action. Section 2, your immediate corrective action. What is it that you did as an Amazon seller immediately upon learning that there was some issue, whether it was valid or not, to make the consumer happier? That's your second section. Section number 3, and this is the part that really requires independent thought, thinking about your business, identifying how you can be a better Amazon seller, thinking about how you can make Amazon's consumer experience even better than it was last week. And you put that in the third section, systemic changes to your business or long-term changes. And sometimes that involves increasing the automation of your business, taking it out of the realm of human error. Sometimes it involves hiring more human beings, or increasing the training you're going to do, or identifying specific functions of particular people. And like in any persuasive argument, the truth is in the details. So let's say, for example, you're going to hire a person to do a specific role, okay? Put the job description in your plan of action. Or if you've hired somebody, put their name in the plan of action. What is their role? What is their hire date? What are they earning? Put the details in your plan of action. So that is Plan of Action Writing 101. And Amazon sellers out there, I want you to know that there is almost always a way or multiple ways of getting your accounts reactivated and your Amazon listings reactivated. You just got to think, do some research, write killer plans of action, and we're also always available to speak with you if you need some advice.